Drama is a great way to develop oracy in your young learners because creative physical learning approaches make for memorable learning experiences and make the learning fun. Drama can be part of your toolkit in the classroom every day. You don't need to book the hall, you don't need to plan weeks in advance. Drama games can happen in the classroom every day. Push back the tables and chairs in your classroom and start or end a session with a drama game. Drama is a brilliant tool to help young learners develop their oracy skills. Get your young learners to collaborate by making a story one word at a time.
Once
there lived a dinosaur and a panda.
Simple drama games like this one-word story game develop confidence and oracy simultaneously. This approach encourages students to think creatively. Drama games support learners to articulate and express their ideas and responses in a fun and playful context which encourages experimentation, imagination, and collaboration. This game is called The Sun Shines On. Sit in a circle on chairs. One person stands in the center of the circle and says, "The sun shines on anyone who," and then they finish the sentence with something which is true about them.
The sun shines on anyone who plays games.
Here are the rules. You have to move chairs if the statement is true about you. You can't swap with the person next to you unless you are the only two people moving. You can't run, and it is a non-contact game, so no rugby tackling. Start with simple statements about appearance, and you can extend to likes, dislikes, hobbies and interests, opinions, beliefs. You can even make it specific to your theme, so for example Shakespeare or the Tudor period. By bringing drama into the classroom, you can make it part of any lesson at the drop of a hat. Incorporate more drama games into your everyday teaching process without even leaving the classroom, and watch your learners' enjoyment, engagement, confidence and oracy skills grow.